Alright, ladies and gents, Nifty Thrifty Girl this morning, spotlighting a vintage white model 3355. This is a basic zigzag machine as it sits. It does have the little door in the top, right there, that allows for a cam. It's a 1.3 amp, all metal, pretty good cosmetic condition. It has some minor paint dings here and there. There's some paint wear on the feed dog drop dial. There's some paint wear on the reverse, but, I mean, the machine's 60 years old, you know, so, or 50-ish. But it's very cool because it comes complete with its original accessories. It will fit in a cabinet or carrying case made for a singer because it shares the same deck dimensions, or you can just use it on the tabletop as it sits. Just like the rest of our machines that we offer, it's serviced and ready to go. Comes to you straight out of the box, ready to work. Your bobbin winder's over here on the wheel. Like I said, feed drop here, reverse, stitch length, and this is width on the dial, and it locks in place by the two little rolly levers. It's straight, and if you want it zigzag, you gotta pull it over and lock it in place with the little rolly. Oh, pretty cool deal. Not double needle capable because the bobbin faces the end. It's a low shank machine that uses class 15 bobbins, 15x1 needles. It has the original matching turquoise box, totally full of accessories. I mean, there's a zipper foot, a ruffler, a hammer foot, a straight stitch foot, screwdrivers, a straight stitch plate, quilting guide. There's all kinds of goodies in there. Hammer foot. This is a button sewing foot. And then also it comes with the full box of cams. And it includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I don't know, 20-something cams there. But it is full. And like I said, it is a 1.3 amp, and I can provide a manual in PDF format. The original manual was not with it. Really cool things is this was all inside the boxes. The machine was originally purchased in July of 1961. This is the original warranty paper. This is the original service policy paper. July of 61. It was bought at Lazarus. And it also has a little instruction booklet for the ruffler. So all that original paperwork will be included. I think it's very neat to keep the original stuff with the machine if you can, and I love it when we find original stuff like this with the machine. It kind of gives you the history of the little guy, which doesn't act so much like a little guy because it's a beast. Here we go, 1.3 amp zigzag, the way it is. And I mean, I'm not going to lie, it'll crank. Let's go a little tighter. Smooth running. As you can hear, the motor's wonderful and smooth. Now, I'm going to put in a cam. I'm going to pick one out of blue here. I don't know what design it is. But what you need to do is it has to be set on 0 for cam, so the width is not adjustable. But when you're putting the cam in, you have to flip over the lever to zigzag, put the cam in, and seat it on the post. And it seems a lot of these cams have not been used because they're really tough to get in. So, you know, don't get frustrated. Just kind of work with it a little because it has to be seated correctly, and you'll hear it click in, and you can let go of that, and you'll see the little arm right against the edge of the cam. Here we go. We're going to do a cam design. And you can make the patterns as loose or tight as you want. You just can't adjust the width. This is like a box pattern. There's even like, I think there's even like a blind stitch in here. Yeah, there's your blind stitch cam So, I mean, it does have capabilities of doing stuff like that, even though it's not built in. And there's your cam stitch, like a box. Cityscape. Haha. Anyway, that's your 3355 white Nifty Thrifty Girl. Email should be right at the bottom of the video if you have any questions about the machine. And it'll be available on eBay. Thank you very much.